friends, find your enemies and make amends, and we'll meet in the middle. Take the pride and set it aside. My hands will build you a shield, and we'll solve the riddle. And we'll remember these times, we'll remember these times. Oh, 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 oh. And we'll remember these times, we'll remember these times. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, so today I've received some products free for review, and the company is Matykos. And the three items that I've received are, this is a Jade stone set, a lip scrub and lip mask in strawberry, and then some 24 karat gold under eye and forehead patches. So this one right here are Jade rollers, and then a Jade sheet. So it has its own little carry case. This is the Jade face roller, and you can see it's two-sided. It reduces puffiness, wrinkles, improves circulation, and collagen production. And to order this set, it's a 3-in-1 Jade roller for face, gua sha set, G-U-A-S-H-A set, and it retails for $15.95. The Jade rollers are used to stroke upward 3 times in the same area, and you start at the center of the chin and go up. And then this one, which is used with the face sheet mask, and it helps to boost circulation and massage the solutions that are in the face mask into the skin. And if you were to purchase the set, all that comes in a set, it's $15.95. And then these are the patches. Which we have for forehead wrinkles and then under eye. Okay, so the under eye patches, you clean your face, pat it dry, and then it's recommended that you use the derma roller before treatment. Then you apply these under the eye, you wait 1 to 2 minutes, and then they're secured to the face because it'll give them a firm grip. And then they stay on for about 25 to 30 minutes. And when you remove them and dispose of them, you just massage the solution that's remaining on your face into the skin. And this is the one that goes on the forehead for wrinkles. Both of them contain aqua, glycerin, collagen, hyaluronic acid, hydrogenated grapeseed oil, avena sativa oat kernel extract, retinol palmitate, tocopherol, phenoxyethanol, rose flower oil, and MICA. There are 13 of each one in the set, and the set sells for $17.95. This one is actually called a 2-in-1 lip sleeping mask and lip scrub kit. You exfoliate and moisture treatment with strawberry lip moisturizing overnight. The set is $12.95, and this is the lip scrubber. You just need a tiny bit to wash the lips, and it has a strawberry scent. And then you apply the lip mask. And the lip mask stays on for 20 to 30 minutes. It hydrates and softens the lips and gets the lips ready for the lipstick. And the ingredients are wine extract, aqua, rose flower oil, glycerin, atelocollagen, glycerol stearate, hyaluronic acid, bitter cherry extract, diazolindinyl urea allantoin, glycerin polymethylate. Wow. Okay, so this set sells for $12.95. This set sells for $17.95. And the 3 stones, Jade stones, sell for $15.95. So thank you so much to the company for sending these. And thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. I will see you in my next video.